This is week 14 of the FTO Wednesday weekly walkthrough solves, and as usual, the scrams be in the description. Alright, so this is the scram right here. So this is the first scram, so right off the bat, I can see that I can pair up blue edge with red edge like that, and then here we have, when I put this in, these two triangles will be up here, so I would solve those two like that, okay? And then next I'm gonna do this triple because it's half solved, and there's the purple triangle right there, and solving the slot like that. All right, and then next I'll do this triple up here, and there's the red triangle right there, so I would insert it like that, and then there's blue triangle right there, so solve it like that, and then insert it in like so. And then first center, I'm going to do these two, and these are incorrect color scheme, so I'm going to fix it like that, and then pair up the triangle with blue, and then here we have this triangle that needs to be set up, and then we can insert like that. So orientate your center, and then here we got the two edges in, but no triangles. Here is yellow, so I'm just going to insert yellow in like that, and then get the purple out, and then just spamming the moves to, make this block and insert it. So now orientate your centers, and then this we got this corner that is in, but we don't have any corners, but we don't have any triangles that are solved. So I'm just gonna take out this corner, and then here I would just insert this purple triangle in here like that, and now we have this red triangle here which we can insert in there, and then just insert the whole corner like that. And here we get this setup case. So here you want to have this connected with yellow, and here we're gonna do a hedge because the empty slot is over here, so make sure you do a hedge and then do U. And then we got this TCP case where there's no bar, and these two needs to be swapped, so I use the SOG, and there we go. Alright, so this is the second scram, and here, nothing too good that I'm seeing right now. I could try pairing up red and blue. I can also try pairing these two up with this triangle right over here, but I don't see anything. I don't think that's really good, to be honest. Okay, actually, the best solution here would probably be to just insert this red edge like that, and that's because we have these two white triangles over here, and if you weren't here for the last video, this is an untangled triangle case, and you'll see why. So when you solve it, you have these two together, and you can solve your purple block PRU then like that, okay? And then just insert your block like so. First triple, I'm gonna do this triple right here, and here's the red triangle that goes here, so insert the red like that, and here's the purple over here, so I'm gonna insert purple like that, and then insert your triple like that. Next triple will be this, so here's the purple, so purple is right over here, so take that in, and then I saw blue back here, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this blue and then insert it in. And then first center will be green because I see this long block right here, and then here, let me put it closer actually. Okay, so put it down with red, and then you're taking the purple edge like that. Yeah, so just build your purple edge like that, and then here we do gray center next, and this is incorrect color scheme, and then here it's just insertion, but because incorrect color scheme, you want to do the color scheme cancellation, which goes like that. All right, so orientate your centers, and here we get this LBT case. Well, it's not a case, but we have the corner in here, so just take it out like that. There's nothing else that I can really explain about that. Just take it out like so. So here we have blue connected, and we have red over here, so insert the red in here like that, and then insert the corner like that. Then here it's the same not TCP. It's the same setup case, but this time we have the empty slot on the left side, so we do a sledge and a U prime. Okay, and then here we have this TCP case where it's a hedge bar, and we have all triangles that are unsolved. And they're going they're going clockwise. Now here it's not a simple sledge, because if it was simple sledge, the triangles would be going counterclockwise, but here in this case it's clockwise. So red goes here, blue goes here, purple goes here. So for this case you want to use this out, and we get no UF. Okay, so here's the third stram, and right here, let's see. Okay, so I can try pairing up red with purple. So this triangle is gonna end up here, and you'll see. So like when I insert this triangle ends up here, and we have this triangle over here. So this is an untangled triangle case. So I can just solve the case like that, pure RU-gen. So that's what I really like about untangled triangle case. Okay, so now onto the triples. I'm gonna do this triple first, and here's purple, and then there's the blue. So insert that in, and here I'm gonna do this triple because half made, and there's purple triangle right there. So you want to solve it like that, and then insert it in. Okay, next, I'm gonna do gray center first, and okay, here's here it's a wrong color scheme because blue needs to be over here. So here, what I would do is color scheme cancellation, and then how to set up these two. So if this is in the bottom, so if this is in the bottom, you put this triangle in the bottom like that, and then I would just, well actually, I would just do an R, because we're gonna do a color scheme cancellation. So there's no need to like do an R prime. But yeah, so do your color scheme cancellation like that. And then here we're on to orange. So there's a triangle right over here, so we don't need to do like any U move adjustments. And here's the purple, so take it like that, and then set up to insert yellow like that. Then orientate your centers. And here we got lucky because this is pre-made, so insert it in like that by doing a D move. And then here it's the same setup case as the first solve, where you just do a hedge, and then U prime, do a U. And here this time it's a simple hedge, because this time the triangles are going counterclockwise, so it's just a hedge and a UAF. Okay, so here's the fourth stram. Hold on, I got something in my nail. Okay, but anyways, here's the fourth stram. So let's see. Well, it's not really that good. Well, what I can do here is try setting up this triangle and this triangle into an untangled triangle case. So you pair up these two, and then you do a U, so you can have these two to be two triangles away from each other. So now you could solve it, PRU-gen, and insert your block like that. Then here I will rotate down, and I'll do this triple first because half made. And then here I would just take this red triangle, not this red triangle because that's connected with this triple, which I'll do next. So solve it this, and now onto this triple, and I see this triangle over here, so solve it like that, and then insert so. Here I'm gonna do gray center first, so I'm just gonna connect those two easily like that. And then here we have this red edge that needs one triangle, and here for this case, so if the edge with the triangle, if the triangle is on top, then you need to have this triangle on top. So you can solve like that. All right, and then orientate your center, and then orange center, it's already half made, so we have this one triangle over here. So set it up like that, and then insert like that. and then alternate your centers. And then here, this is easy because it's this corner that's solved, and we have this triangle that's solved. So all we need is blue, and blue is right here. So we can insert the blue triangle like that. And then here, we skip setup, and we get this TCP case where we have a slash bar, and these two triangles need to be swapped. So I use this over here. Alright, we are on to the last scram of this video. And here it is. So, okay, so right off the bat, I can pair up these two. Let's look at red over here. Red is actually not that good. Okay, well, yeah, I'll just stick to what I was going with. So pair up these two. Now for the red edge here, it's actually pretty bad. Yeah, it's actually not good. I mean, I want to see if I can look for something else better. Well, what I could do also is that I can try pairing up. So I can take this triangle to get blue edge right here. This triangle, let's see, this triangle is going to end up over here, and we can try doing an adjustment to make sure we have untangled triangle case. Okay, yeah, so I think I'll stick to this solution right here, even though, like, you know, realistically, I'll probably do these two and, you know, solve these two somehow. But, you know, like, this triangle is going to move out. This triangle can move over here, and we have this triangle over here, so pretty bad case. So I would just take this solution, even though it might be a bit hard to execute, but I think it's, like, better. I don't know, you just have to... Honestly, I don't think it's about the execution. But, yeah, this solution is pretty good. Okay, anyways, enough talking. We're going to do the solution now. So solve this, and then you do a U prime, and then you do this to set up untangled triangle case, and solve this block like that. So that's my solution. Alright, so here we have this triple, and this needs purple. Not gonna take this one though, because this is already solved. I didn't even notice that, but I didn't mean to make it, but here it is. I got pretty lucky. But here's the purple triangle right here that I can take. So make the triple and put it in, and then we'll take this pre-made triple and insert it like so. Well, you can also just do your F move like that. Okay, but anyways, first center, obviously I'll do green because, you know, you can pair them up like that. And then here we have yellow, so just put it in yellow and then put it in like that. So this is already oriented. Now onto the gray center. So here it's half made, so all we need to do is put in red. This strip was already made, but we can't do anything about that. Alright, so just spam moves and then orientate your centers. And then here we have this triple that is it has the blue but it needs red, and there's the red right there. So insert red in like that, and then insert your triple like that. And here we get this we get this setup case here, and this is a setup case that we've gotten like 2 times in the last video. But here we need to make sure that this slot is away from this yellow triangle right here. So if the yellow triangle is over here, then you do a sledge, and because the slot where like there was a triangle that was in there, you do a U. All right, and then here we have this TCP case where all the triangles are solved, and we have a sledge bar right here. So you use this out, and there we go. So hopefully you guys learned something, and comment down below if you know, if you found anything better than what I found. I might have misscrambled in some of the scrams because I wasn't really checking the scrams. So please warn me if I have misscrammed one of the solves. But yeah, so hopefully you guys learned some good stuff, and yeah, hopefully I can get I can start averaging like sub 25 before the next before I make my next video, so you know I could try making a title where I can say like example solves from sub 25 solver, you know. But yeah, so I'm making this video specifically for like for people that want to reach sub 30. But yeah, hopefully I can get sub 25 before I make my next video. All right, that's all I gotta say.